マンスリーテストね。ファイナリーマンスリーテスト。
Okay. So right now we will be having
Okay.
okay the monthly test 8. Okay, speaking.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So before we start, okay, my name is Marian once again, and I am your examiner for today. Okay, so the speaking test, Miss Yama, will cover 10 minutes. Okay, and there are three parts of the test. So the first part is questions about yourself. Second, talk about a specific topic for 1 to 2 minutes. And the last part is questions that will test your quick response. Okay. So now to start with Miss Yama, what
Okay.
what's your first and last name?
What is first name and last name? My first name is Yuko, and the last name is Yamamoto.
Okay. So what's your nickname?
Is my nickname. My nickname is Yama.
Yama. Okay. So how do you spell
Why?
your first, last, and nickname?
OK。えー my first name is Yuko. Yuko.
Okay. How about your
Last name.
yes.
The name is Yamamoto. My
Okay.
nickname is only short
Uh,
Yama.
uh,
Yama.
okay, so that's it. Now, how was the weather in Japan today, Miss Yama?
It is cloudy today, but sometimes I can see sunny.
Okay. Okay, so what's the most comfortable weather for you?
uh, I think this season is very good. Not too hot and not too cold. It's
Okay.
good weather. I want to go outside.
Okay. So right now, Miss Yama, okay, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes, okay? But
Okay.
before you talk, you'll have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say and you can make some notes if you wish, okay? Do you
Okay.
understand, Miss Yama?
Okay.
Okay. So for now, let me share my screen with you, okay?
Mm.
Okay, can you see it
Yes,
now?
I can see.
Okay, so the topic is about interesting discussions. Okay, so I'll
Mm.
give you 1 minute to think about this topic, and after that one, I will ask you some questions. Okay, Miss Yama.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Interesting
start.
discussion.
Okay, you can start thinking now.
Mm.
Okay, Miss Yama, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so describe an interesting discussion you had, okay, as part of your work or studies, okay? And these are the guide questions, okay? Just share your ideas about the topic, okay, based in these three questions we have here, okay? You will have 2 minutes, okay? For this one, okay? You can start sharing now, Miss Yama.
Okay. Oh, I'm interesting learning German language now because I will move to Germany for 2 months later. I have to communicate with Germany people. And also uh, I learned history in Europe, especially Germany. Germany history is quite interesting.
Okay.
Yes. Sometimes Japan and Germany is very very close in the history, so I'm interested in history too.
Okay. So, who you discuss the subject with? Have you remember the specific name of the teacher?
Who you discuss? じゃあ、伊藤伊藤、伊藤、
Okay.
ミス伊藤、ミスです伊藤。
Okay. So what else? What else can you share about? You like the history, okay? That is why you learned history of Germany. So can you please share what you have learned about the Germany's history?
Germany history is sometimes I we know that Hitler is very scary and too sad history, I think. So and also Berlin's 壁、Berlin's wall is also very big news.
Okay.
Mm, and I think this history makes German people uh, uh, こう mind because I watching Japanese people interview. The interviewer asks what is your important things, and they
Okay.
said almost German people said uh, their important is freedom.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes history is very pushing government. So that's
Yes.
maybe now German people like important is freedom. Mm.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Miss Yama. Now let's proceed to the part three, okay?
Okay.
So, why is it good to discuss problems with other people?
Mm, because if I didn't say anything, the other people can't understand my feelings. That
Okay.
is sometimes make trouble. So that if I didn't say anything, someone maybe misunderstand.
There will be a misunderstanding.
They will be
Okay.
misunderstood.
So, do you think that it's better to talk to friends and not family about problems?
I think it's better to talk to friends and sometimes coworker or ファミリー、I think family, if family is okay. or
Okay. It depends. You mean
it
it
depends
depends.
I
Okay.
didn't, yeah, talk family, but if the family is okay.
Okay. So, for question number three, which communication skills are most important when taking part in meetings with colleagues?
I think in meeting with colleagues is not friend. So we have to pretend sometimes.
Okay.
So I think important is respectful each other because we have to reliable our communication and teamwork is very important to our work. Mm,
Okay. And also use proper words, right? In
our work, yes.
communication. Okay.
Mm,
Thank you so much for that, Miss Yama. Okay. So this ends, okay, the speaking test. Okay. Unit 8 speaking test. Okay. Thank you so much
mm,
for that, Miss Yama. Now let me stop sharing this screen. And now we will proceed to the listening. Okay, listening.